What's up, day oneers? This is going to be a technical video regarding PLus P defense rounds. Here I have some American Gunner from Hornady. They are 124 grain jacketed hollow points. Today's question is your everyday carry pistol rated for PLus P rounds, which basically going to mean is the barrel PLus P, and the P in the plus stands for plus pressure. These rounds are loaded with just slightly more powder to have a slightly more powder pressure as it's exiting the barrel, to give you slightly more velocity, slightly more foot-pounds of energy as it reaches the intended target. Now, to look up, it's just simple of getting hold of your pistol's manufacturer, reading the instruction manual that came with your pistol, or if you bought it used and don't have an instruction manual, just hop on Google, hop on their website, and it's a easy question to answer on whether your pistol is PLus P. Here I have a Smith & Wesson M2.0, which is rated PLus P plus. That's really pressure, but we're just going to talk about the PLus Ps for now. And reasons for using PLus P. There is a great debate on whether 9mm is powerful enough. So if you have that question in mind, look into getting some PLus P rounds. I'm going to load up a magazine here because I have defensive rounds and I have quite a bit of them, but they're not PLus P, so I'm going to go ahead and start carrying these PLus P rounds. Like I mentioned, the PLus P is really regarding upside down is the barrel designed to handle such pressure. And you saw that was all clear. Magazine's empty. You always want to have extra safety when you have a firearm and bullets on the same table, no matter if you know it is empty or not. Always safety first. So yeah, there's plenty of manufacturers that make PLus P rounds. And I'm actually here in Ohio. I want to go to an outdoor range, but we've had flooding problems, so it's going to be a few weeks. I can't wait because the water has been so high. And a lot of the gun ranges are underneath floodplains, so we're gonna have to let those dry out. Because I definitely want to shoot these, see if there's a feel difference, which I imagine they will be. I know when I was testing out some rounds in my 1522 Smith & Wesson that those CCI mini mags were definitely hotter than the rest. So I am expecting these to be slightly hotter than the rest. Okay, that was 15. These are slippery to get out. Let's grab two more. This is a 17 round magazine. Then I'll load one in the chamber and put the other one back in. But I'm not going to do that on video because I want optimum safety. Because as soon as I put one in the chamber, it goes straight to the holster for absolute safety. Okay, and that's 17 rounds. Plus P. A little bit higher pressure. A little bit more energy as it approaches the target.